It's my unboxing of the new Subcompact Milwaukee drill driver combo. Let's check out what we got here. This is a Home Depot deal, $159. Came with our bits. So we got the Robertson, Phillips, Torx, some extensions, 1/4 inch to drive to, what was that, 3/8, and then a couple extension bits. Look pretty nice. Decent. We'll use that to test out this combo kit. New smaller size, slimmer. It comes with the 2.0 batteries, which is nice. I had has the battery indicator on top, 2-speed. Got the drill set in. Nice compact size. Bright light. Can definitely use it to illuminate where you're drilling. It's pretty close to where the head goes. And the impact, which is what I'm most excited about. I'm a service tech for HVAC, so this is going to be very, very nice. Same thing where we got a light. Same battery, 2 amp hour. Comes with a clip. Now this is not a quick connect fitting from what I've heard. Oh, this has to go in there. I don't love that. But yeah, I don't love not having a quick connect, but it's convenient as well. See, we got these. It's here. Nice. Right. That's oak. We'll look for scrap. Some old scrap 2x material. We'll try it out here. We'll end up probably no problem. That's only with a battery from factory. We'll try this on screw setting. Oh, no problem at all. That is a really nice drill. That's really, really high quality. Size comparison. Obviously the impact is a lot more compact, but the width is the same. That's really, really nice. No problem at all. For the size and convenience, I definitely like that. Let's see how it fits in my tool bag. What I had been using was this drill from Milwaukee, but now I've got the Impact, and it's a lot smaller. Most HVAC techs use this flip bit anyway, so not having the quick collet is not a big deal. Fits in the tool bag a little bit nicer. Definitely a huge size upgrade there. You can see the weight's more centered on that handle for this as well. A lot lighter. Nice.